Hello friends, this is Saumil Patel. This side welcomes you in the automation mastery training. Okay, and in this tutorial, we are going to discuss about the page navigation. Okay, how to navigate from the one page to the another page. That means from one window to the another window. How to navigate. Okay, so in this InTouch software, there are two ways to navigate from the one window to the another window. Okay, so first option is when you go to the runtime. Okay, so here is the file menu is available, and in the file menu, if you click on the open window, whatever is the windows are available into your project, okay, that will be listed over here. If you want to open the window 2, okay, so you just select window 2. Sorry, you just select window 2 and okay, so window 2 will be opened, right? If you click again from the file open window, if you open window 3 will be open. If you again go to the open window, if you click on the window 1 will be open. So this is how you can navigate from the one window to the another window. Okay, this is the one method. But what is the another method? And this is the another method is widely used because these are very lengthy method. You go to the file, you need to open the window, then you need to select, then you need to press OK. So these are the very this is very lengthy method. Now if you want to move from one window to the another window, there is a second method is available. That is a very easy method. For that you need to just take a button from the right hand side. Okay, so if I am taking one button, I am changing the text of this button. For that you need to just right click, substitute and substitute string. Okay, so I am writing down go to w2. Okay, that means by click on this button, you will go to the w2 window. Okay, I am duplicating it. This is for w3 window. Okay, right? Okay, so these two buttons I have created. If I double click on this w2 button, there is a touch push buttons area is available over here, and you can see that there is a show window option is available. When you click on the show window, you need to just select w2 and press OK. See, so your action is now assigned to this button. Okay, show window action. This is the show window action for the page navigation, right? See, I have assigned w2. Sorry, I have assigned w2 for the show window option for this button. What I need to assign for this button, go to the w3. So I need to assign just show window w3. Okay, w3. See, only w3 is tick marked, right? Okay. So by clicking on these two buttons, you will go to the W2, and by clicking on the second button, you will go to the W3. But what about to go to the W1? Means what about to go to the back? Okay, so I need to just copy and paste these two button. That means copy. Okay, if I go to the W2, I am just pasting it over here. Okay, and I am changing the stuff string w1. For this I need to just select w1. Okay, and I'm copy these two buttons. If I go to the w3, I'm pasting it over here in the w3 window. Okay, and yes, this button I need to change. Sorry, because from w3 you can go to the w1 or you can go to the w2. Okay, there is no need for w3. So I am changing the go to the w2. Okay, and I am changing its animation link. Which animation link? Touch push button. Under the touch push button there is a show window, animation link is available. I need to just select w2, press ok, press ok. Okay, so all three windows are with the two buttons. Okay, one will go to the w1, one will go to the w2, and one will go to the w3. Okay, I am still saving all of these window. Okay, if I go to the runtime, see, go to W1, go to W2, see, go to W3. Yeah, okay. So it's very easy for page navigation, for window navigation. Okay, go to the W1. If I press on this, automatically my window will be switched. Okay, W1 window will be open. If I press on this, go to W2, W2 window will be open. If I press go to W3, W3 window will be open. If I press again, go to W1, W1 window will be open. So this is nothing but the page navigation. Okay, from one page to another, how to move from one page to another. Okay, that's it. So that's it for this video, and we will meet again for with our new topic in our next session. Thank you.